Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC60 crash test performance. We'll dive into its impressive safety features and see how it stacks up against other popular vehicles in its class. Understanding these comparisons can help you make an informed decision about vehicle safety. We'll cover key aspects like structural integrity and advanced driver assistance systems, giving you a clear picture of its protective capabilities. The Volvo XC60 is engineered with a strong focus on safety, incorporating a sophisticated high-strength steel safety cage designed to absorb and dissipate crash energy effectively. This robust structure, combined with a comprehensive airbag system, provides excellent protection for all occupants. Furthermore, its advanced driver assistance systems, such as automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist, actively work to prevent accidents from happening in the first place, enhancing overall road safety. When comparing the Volvo XC60 to other cars, it consistently demonstrates exceptional performance in crash tests. It frequently earns top ratings, such as good in critical frontal and side impact evaluations, often surpassing many rivals. Its roof strength, for example, is designed to withstand forces exceeding 4 times the vehicle's weight, offering superior rollover protection. While many competitors offer strong safety, the XC60 often sets a benchmark for overall occupant protection and structural integrity. In summary, the Volvo XC60 consistently stands out as a leader in vehicle safety, offering a comprehensive suite of protective features and consistently achieving high crash test ratings. Its commitment to occupant protection, from its robust structure to its advanced driver assistance systems, provides a significant level of peace of mind. For more details on the XC60 safety or to explore other great deals, be sure to check the description below for links. You might find something perfect for your home or car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.